File.
Oh, hi Ray. Are you excited? We got
Yes.
our box today. Let's open it up and see what's inside, okay? Wow. Lots of good stuff. A nice card. It's the Comfort box. Okay, let's go slow. What is this? Nut. Exactly. Snack bites. Ooh, what are those? Fruity bites. Fiber choice.
We need them.
Ooh, we need them.
Ooh.
Annie's. It's Star pasta and chicken soup. Ooh. And this is laundry detergent. Oh, stain release. Yeah, and it's for gentle skin, so that's good. And we got some stuff in here for ragu sauce.
Okay.
Another one.
Okay, Mom.
And a coupon for
Will I have some of these?
free ragu
Tell me
pasta
what these-
sauce.
I had these ones.
Well, I have to read it first to make sure it's okay for you. $1 off. Not exactly. And a 55-cent off ragu. And a Target coupon for $3 off Tide Supercharged Stain Removal. Wow. That looks like a pretty good box, huh? It's going to be fun, right, Ray?
Yes.
You ready? He's ready. That's his game face. Say goodnight.
Good night.